Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing an open box video of shower head. And Antonio's right here. Hey babe.
Hey, how you doing?
So we bought this shower head at eBay, and it has a handle on the side right there. Y tiene 3 settings on it.
Yep.
So it's a waterfall. Y que
hay que empezar a abrirla, a ver qué
sabe qué tanto. So
ahorita ellos la pueden mirar. You guys are gonna be able to see this bad boy.
So it took like 4 or 5 days to get here. So it wasn't bad, the shipping and everything. And we wanted an expensive shower head, por eso lo ordenamos de eBay. We got 2 of them for like $45 with change. Free shipping. Because it's crazy the prices at Home Depot and Lowe's, ¿sabes? ¿Te acuerdas que estamos buscando?
Home Depot, they're too expensive, man.
Y también agarramos una extension.
Yeah, an extension. Let me open that bad boy.
Y ese nos costó, ¿cuánto nos costó, baby?
Yo no sé.
Como $12 or something. I ordered it, por eso el papacito no sabe.
La mamacita, como siempre, ordena. Ella es la que sabe que lo que cuesta.
It was like $12 with shit.
Okay, so that's the extension. Okay.
The arm extension for the shower head.
Okay, so.
Estamos aquí en nuestro cuarto, so por eso miren aquí todo esto.
Okay, so first of all, let's go ahead and take a look at the shower head.
It's really nice.
You got a couple of options. I think these throw water and these simulate the rainfall.
Yeah.
And then the other one I think is the telephone.
Cálmate, es el handle.
Looks
with the settings también.
It looks like the telephone, but
it looks so cute.
Okay, and then I guess you press it for something.
And it's like not like, it's like a good quality, no está como really cheap like you would think. Todo se siente como it has a good grip on it. Se mira así para que lo miren más cerquitas. Todo. Y este little spray así. It's not gonna be like the best like quality, but it's not the worst either.
Yeah.
So si se mira. Y aquí se mira el handle for that, para que lo ponga uno. Y así se mira el de este. And then that's what you're going to be twisting aquí. Para que sean los settings de... It's a more stronger... ¿Cómo se llama?
The jets?
Este? Yeah.
Okay,
so,
vamos a hacer esto ya, bebé.
Ah, ya tenemos esos monitos tirados.
That belongs right there. Okay. So, we got the
hose.
Teflon. But we're not going to need that right now because we're going to do this.
So we're going to show you guys how... It's an open box and then how to install it too. Para que sepan también.
There you go.
So that's the one
we're going to have to remove this one. Okay, and I put tape here on purpose. I don't know if you guys can see tape. That way it doesn't get like the steel with that steel part. So tape, little insulation. So, let me move this up a little bit. Man, this one is goddamn hard. Well, we don't want that. Holy crap.
OMG.
Oh,
Apenas salí de trabajar yo y el papacito estaba ayudándole a su mamá. So. Right away, el papacito dijo que there was a surprise for me. And it was my boxes of my shower heads. Because I was waiting for them for so long. I really wanted them. Para que el papacito las ponga.
I'm gonna have to get some more pliers.
Sí.
I want to put pals or something.
Uy.
It's gonna be a little bit.
Man, tú siempre quieres que le ponga pause a los videos. You're so funny. Let's go follow him. Let's see what he's doing. Let's make this into a longer. Oh yeah. Estoy haciendo comida. So. Déjame botar la carne y el tiro. Some good meat. La carnita era. Haciendo carne asada. Yummy. Ok. ¿Qué es lo que estás buscando, papi?
Unas pinzas, bebé.
El papacito, pues. Ándele.
Okay, let's see if we can get them with these, bro.
A ver, vamos. Ve, pues no tienes todas tus pinzas o están en el carro.
I don't know. I'm not even on yet to begin with. I just got so many things on my plate.
Okay. You're so funny. Okay. Se nos que vamos a tener que hacer esto in parts because
Oh yeah, you're gonna have to because
I'm gonna limit this.
this thing doesn't want to play with me.
¿Está bien duro?
Yeah.
No, se mira que le estamos moviendo. No, estamos moviendo el head.
I know what's we haven't done this before. Ay.
The other one was easier, ¿verdad? Necesitas la escalerita, ¿ve? Porque apenas te miras que puedes alcanzar.
Voy a agarrar la escalerita, pero también otras pinzas.
Yeah. That's not good.
You might want to put pals or something.
Okay, I think I'm gonna put a second part to this, guys. Probably even a third part. Who knows? Porque obviously we're not prepared. Because ya habíamos hecho esta antes de hacer este other video. So that's how it's gonna look at the end. With the extension. Aquí, shower head with the handle. So it's gonna look really nice like that. So it's kind of long. Esto se me hace que es like, what is it? 5 or 6 feet. So, he's as tall as me cuando las extend. So, that's a good. And it looks really nice. It goes with my bathroom, the curtains y todo. It's like white, so it can go with any shower. So, yeah. So, see you guys in the second part because ya se me va a quitar el limit of my recording on this one. Because, yeah. So, see you guys in the second part, the part 2.